Hello friends, hello students. Today we are going to learn food and health part 2 for class 5th science subject of CBSE or ICSE board. So let's proceed. We are supposed to learn what is the effect of not having a good food or junk food, as what I have mentioned in earlier PPT also, or earlier chapter also, that we should have a good proper food. Okay, for that we need to avoid as much of junk food as much as possible, and to have a good balanced diet, because if we don't have a balanced diet, then we may suffer from many medical problems like diabetes and high blood pressure. The symptoms of them are diabetic, as you must have seen in your family members also. There is excess of hunger, thirst, urge to pass urine frequently, abnormal high blood pressure, weakness, and high amount of sugar in the blood. What is high blood pressure? Your blood pressure is higher compared to be as what it should be in normal range. Okay, so that's the reason that the patient suffers from high blood pressure. They have to take the medicine for both diabetes and high blood pressure. The symptoms in both the things are like dizziness mainly, breathlessness, chest pain, and excessive sweating. Deficiency diseases. Yes, this is very important because we should know if there is any deficiency of any vitamins or minerals in our body, then what are we supposed to do and how we can prevent them. Okay, and what is the effect of the deficiency of those vitamin, minerals, or any of the substances or minerals. Okay, so we know what there is something known as kwashiorkor because it is one of the deficiency diseases. This happens due to deficiency of proteins. Okay, so there as a result, what you can see in the picture, here is a belly fat. There is a belly stomach over here. You will see it is a swollen belly, swollen ankles, and feet, thinning of hair, flaky and patchy skin, reduced growth, frequent infections. This happens if you have a deficiency of protein. So what you should do, you should have diet rich in proteins like milk, meat, cereals, and eggs. Marasmus. Marasmus is one of the other deficiency disease which happens due to the deficiency of both carbohydrates and proteins. These what are the symptoms? It causes lack of energy. You feel energyless. Then you feel that you are weak. That you can't do any activity. You can't do any exercises. You are extremely thin. So this major cause is a proteins and carbohydrate deficiency. You should have lot of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Night blindness. This occurs due to lack of vitamin A. So we are not able to see in dark or in poor light. So we should have more of green vegetables, carrots, pumpkins, papayas, mangoes, and milk. Remember this. These are very important things, especially the night blindness, that is lack of vitamin A. Okay, there are many other symptoms also, but mainly you should remember that inability to see in dark or poorly in poor light is one of the symptom of night blindness. Marasmus you see mainly in those living in slum areas. Kwashiorkor also you will mainly see in living in slum areas. If you go visit to any slum areas, in any of your lifetime, like in future life, so you may see many kids suffering from this deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates. So kwashiorkor and marasmus you will see mainly in slum kids. Next is anemia, rickets, scurvy, beriberi, and goiter. Now, what is anemia? Anemia is due to the deficiency of iron in our diet. Okay, so what we do look like? We look very tired, pale, unhealthy. Then what we should do? We should eat more of grapes, dates, bananas, spinach, jaggery, apples, and beetroot. Okay, so you can see through the picture, this is iron deficiency kid. Okay, now rickets. What is rickets? It's lack of vitamin D in our diet. So you will see there is a, now this is a mainly example of rickets. Here the patient, once they have a deficiency of vitamin D, they also have a deficiency of iron in their diet as well. So in this kid you will see both the deficiency of ricket as well as anemia. Okay, you will see this is a knock knee, then bow legs. Okay, bow legs will be seen. Bow means like a bow. This is a structure. Okay, what you should do then? You should have more of milk and more of dairy products. Then have a lot of exposure in direct sunlight. You should play outdoor games, especially during the sunlight. Scurvy. Scurvy is lack of vitamin C in your diet. Okay, so wounds take long time to heal, and presence of swollen games, swollen gums that bleed easily are the symptoms of scurvy. Okay, when you brush your teeth, the blood starts coming out. This shows that, oh, there is a vitamin C deficiency. So you should have foods which have more of vitamin C, like oranges, lemons, tomatoes, gooseberries, grapes, guavas, kiwis, and strawberries. Basically, all citrus fruits. Okay, just remember this. You have to eat lots and lots of citrus fruits. Very. This you will see nowadays very much less compared to all other vitamins and mineral deficiency. Yes, but yes, you do see it especially in slum peoples. Okay, there are some kids who are really suffering from this very. Now, what are the symptoms? Weak muscles and nerves getting cramps, getting tired easily. Is all due to what? It is basically due to lack of vitamin B in diet. Oh, so what should we do? We should eat lots of sprouts, cereals, unpolished rice, milk, nuts, and meat. Okay, so that you will not have any problem in your life due to lack of vitamin B. What is this? This is goiter. Now, what is goiter? It is due to lack of iodine in our diet. This is a swollen neck, a bulge in your neck part. Is your vitamin, not the vitamin, basically it's an iodine, it's a mineral. So, using iodized salt in food, eating seafood, seaweed, and fish is the thing which you should eat mainly to avoid this goiter. Okay, so how can you prevent this? Eat right diet. As I mentioned, eat a balanced diet. Avoid junk food. Include more fruits, vegetables in your diet. Avoid intake of excess of salt and sugar. Drink maximum glasses of water, but at least 8 glass. Okay, at least 8 glasses of water every day you are supposed to drink. Then play outdoor games so that you are more exposed to sunlight. Then vitamin D is built in your body, and then you don't suffer from rickets, right? And plus your heart is good, your heart circulation is good, your lung circulation is good, all the body parts gets good blood supply, and then you feel better. Say no to stress and anxiety. This will help you to be more good. It will help you to remain nice and fresh. Try to cover short distance by cycling or walking. This is the main thing. Okay. Use the stairs instead of escalators or lifts. Do not remain indoor all the time. Fresh air is important for a healthy life. Sleep on time at night and wake up early in the morning. Food adulteration, we know there are many things food adulteration is going on. So adulterant basically is something which is unethical, which is added to the food, which makes look similar but does not have that quality. So that's the reason it looks same, but unnecessary, those unwanted thing goes into your body, and you don't get that much of nutrition. Okay, so like coffee powder is adulterated with the powder of tamarind seeds, tomato sauce is adulterated with pumpkin pulp, ice creams are adulterated with washing powder. Do you know this? Chili powder is adulterated with brick powder to get that red color. Rice is adulterated with small grains of stones. Honey is adulterated with refined sugar and water to increase its quantity. Milk is adulterated by adding water. You must be knowing this. Okay. So, healthy living, eating a balanced diet, exercising, taking proper rest, and sleep is important. Components of food, as I know, carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage water, lifestyle, and deficiency diseases. Obesity, anemia, diabetes, high blood pressure are lifestyle diseases. Food adulteration, you know what is the food adulteration. So, this is the main, all the topic related to your food and health. So, you should know what is a balanced diet, how to maintain the balanced diet, what is the importance of balanced diet, and then what is the importance of exercise, rest, and sleep, what are the components of food, what are the lifestyle and deficiency diseases, and food adulteration. These four things you should remember in this food and health chapter. Okay, once you understand this chapter very well, there won't be a problem. Now, question time. What is kwashiorkor? What is anemia? What is ricket? And what is scurvy? Please do answer these questions in my comment box. The answer of this question I will put it in the next presentation. That time you can cross check your answer. I just want to know whether you have really understood the subject or no. Thank you.